Spending more time planning for the Expo will increase our chances of getting a much better return on investment. We've created for you a framework called the 6P's to increase your chances of success. Plan, people, prospects, pre-event promotion, print and merchandise, and paperwork. All these will be covered in more detail in later videos, but let's cover them here today, very briefly. As the saying goes, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. We'll be looking at the importance of planning and how we can calculate that return on investment by using a simple worksheet. Visitors will remember the people, not the stand. So it's important we understand what makes the right team and also what staff training needs to be covered. The Expos provide a fantastic opportunity to invite prospects to the stand. Unfortunately, most exhibitors fail to do this. We'll be looking at how to identify them, how to invite them, and how do we convert them when they attend the Expo. Almost 80% of exhibitors do not do any form of pre-event promotion. In this section, we'll be looking at ways to encourage visitors to your stand, and we'll discuss both online and offline marketing channels. This is one area where exhibitors spend a lot of time and money. In this section, we will cover printed literature, merchandise, stand display, and layout design. Here, we will share the 3 pieces of paperwork every exhibitor needs at every Expo. A lot goes into preparing for the Expo, and the 6P's provide a very useful framework. Remember, the goal throughout the whole training session is to ensure that we're focused on one thing: generating return on investment. In our next session, we will be looking at the first P, planning, and how that will help us and why it's so important.